Okay, I did a video the other day introducing you to my latest project. This is a 1985 Buick LeSabre Limited Collector's Edition with the Oldsmobile 350 diesel engine. And I just wanted to do a quick video again with it out in the daylight so you could get a better look at it. It does still need some appearance work. As I mentioned the other day, the bumper fillers are completely rotted and mostly gone. The vinyl top is in desperately need of replacement. I have the bumper fillers ready to go. The vinyl top is on order. I need to start getting quotes from body shops for doing something about the paint because it is pretty well chalked off on the tops. The sides don't look too bad. If I get it just the right angle, I can get a picture of it where it actually looks pretty good. But just so you can see the worst parts of it, this vinyl top is nowhere close to the correct color. It's supposed to be the same as the paint. It's got cracks and chips all in it. A couple of holes in it where I went cutting in just to make sure there was no rust underneath it. Unfortunately, there isn't. But anyway, 94,000 original miles. Just had the head gaskets done last week. Put ARP head studs in it, so that'll be the last time I have to do head gaskets on it. Mechanically, otherwise, it's in fantastic condition. It runs smoother than most gasoline engines. I actually had a quarter balanced on top of the air conditioning compressor earlier with it idling, and it was just sitting there. The color is called sage green, and the vinyl top is also a sage green, both metallic. So we're going to have to try to get this looking right again. That missing trim piece on the back door there, I do have that. It's in the trunk, so that's a good thing. Back bumper's got some rust on it. I probably have to replace it, but that's the only rust on the car anywhere. Got a little bit of a dent here behind the bumper. It's kind of bent in. No telling what happened there. Let you look inside real quick. In '85, when they did the collector's edition package, which was because it was the last year for the full-size rear drive LeSabre, they pulled the upholstery that they had used the previous year in the Park Avenue and put it in here. It's got the really thick, comfortable, plush velour front and back. And I just think the green color against that light wood grain is a really beautiful combination. As I said, 94,784 miles. I'll start it real quick here. Air conditioner does work. I had to charge it, but otherwise it works beautifully. Ice cold. Back seat as well. We'll take one more quick peek under the hood while it's running. Those of you who are familiar with this engine and have seen it in other cars, you'll notice there are a few differences. For 1985, right before they stopped production of them, they had improved a bunch of things. Had the new fuel filter with the water separator, electronic controls on all the emissions. Got a belt-driven vacuum pump. Another interesting little feature over here is there is a drain valve and a little container to drain your water separator into. Anyway, just wanted to get another view of it out in the sunlight where you could see a little bit better of it than the one in the garage the other day. 1985 Buick LeSabre Limited Collector's Edition package with the 350 diesel engine.